second guess that. It's rated for 7 miles, but I think I really only get about 4 miles. They say if you ride aggressively, then your battery life goes down exponentially. I think it might be time for one of those extended range batteries. All right, let's go to boosted.com. That was quick. The boosted extended range battery. This one is rated for about 12 miles, so I'm going to say it's probably going to be about 10. I'm hoping for 10, because if so, I can make it all the way to downtown. Quick start guide. They give you all kinds of tools. Let's get started. First, we got to make sure this thing is powered down, and it is. Got to use an Allen wrench to take off the battery. Okay, here we go. Lifting up the boosted board for the very first time. Oops. It's got 2 different pins right here. So you got to use the 2 pins to hold each side to undo it. Ooh, I think I got it. Yes. All right. Original battery successfully taken off, and now the new boosted battery. Get on there. Now let me get my 2 boosted official wrenches here, and we'll tighten the sucker together. Yep, that's tight. All right. Line that back up. It looks official. So it comes with these extra plates. It's countersunk for the bolts, so they match on there really perfectly. Now, you're supposed to install risers, and I've already done that for the sake of time. These are the original risers, and they're about half the size as the new risers that go in. And I guess the new risers are there because the battery's a little bit taller. This sucker is almost ready to go here. All right, here we go. Here comes the tester. What does that mean? If you need to update the board software, the power button will flash white LED. I gotta update the software. Whew. Boosted. All right, here we go. It says connecting. Firmware for dual, yes. Install. Yes. Software is being installed right now via the Boosted Board app. Let's hope it works. It's green. It's green. We did it. It works. Let's go test it out. Let's see if this thing pairs up. Oh yeah. Ooh, it sounds good. Where the hell am I?
The project will still be good. So bye. Okay. Yeah. Bye.